tanan. Sorry lang kay na emotional gid ko kay nakadungog ko atong kanta nga looks like we made it. Ug ako na remember, I got reminded sa akong close friend o partner sa kalihukan, si Dr. Rowena Borden. Ato siyang sugaton sa masipang pakta. Kay siya ang gadala nako diri nga posisyon karon. Kay hatong initiative nga kinahanglan to save Cebu, kinahanglan ni Mulansar. And before I start, I would like to acknowledge the presence of the daughters of Dr. Rowena Borden, Kimberly and Chris. Kim and Chris, love you. It must be, it's still painful for us losing your mom. Know that I'm always here for you, and whatever you need, anything, just come to me. As I've said earlier, when you lose someone you love, you never learn to live without them, but you learn to live with the love that they left behind. Usa ka rason nga ako ning dagan yun, kay di ko gusto malimtan si Dr. Borden sa among kausa nga among salbaron ang Cebu. Thank you kaayo. And also want to acknowledge the presence of our Cebu City Mayor, Nestor Archibald, and his partner, the very lovely Attorney Dara Acusar, and Secretary, former Secretary of Tourism, Ace Durano. And so he's going to be our Provincial Administrator, Chris, there pala. And of course, my family, Dr. Brian To, Dr. Nikki, and Dr. Janus Vizcaino. So sa among pamilya, puro ni sila doktor. Ako ray walay titulo, may gali kay nag-gov na ko ron. Daghan kayong salamat ug sa ako ang mga friends and family nga naadiri karong gabi una. Kamo kay nagpabilin yun mo, pasabot ana sa pagsugod pa, diha yun mo. Tagabantayan ay hindi pa na po daghan kay salamat ninyong tanan. And also I would like to thank the organizers of tonight's event, Paolo, Sheila, our team, Sunny. Sorry if I miss anybody here. And hey, by the way, I forgot to acknowledge Mr. Mike Acevedo Lopez, our consultant for foreign affairs. Atong mga higala, na supporters na naadiri karon. Pasaylo ako kung wala ko nasulti ang tanan. Anyway, mga kabatan-unan, mga ginikanan, mga mag-uuma, mga trabahante, mga inahan, amahan, mga single moms nga sama na ako sa una, mga tigulang nga walay gipili kundi ang tinuod. Daghang salamat sa inyong tanang sakripisyo ug suporta. I stand here before you today still overwhelmed. Especially sa nahitabo ganina buntag tubog adlaw. Wala gyud hupas ang katawhan nga nagsuporta nato. Yeah, I'm still humbled and still moved. Because this victory, this moment is not about me. It's about you. It's about all of you. Mga Cebuano, kamo nga nanindog bisag nagulan karon ug katong pag-eleksyon, kamo nga nanindog bisag init, kamo nga wa mo hatag og kwarta pero nang hatag mo og panahon, tingog ug gugma. Kamo nga miingon, Pam, ipadayon na. You gave me 1.1 million votes. A mandate to clean up our government, a mandate to bring back trust, a mandate to remind the province and the whole country that people power is real Wala ko midagan isip gobernador nga dako kong pondo. Wala ko'y makinerya, wala po ko'y dinastiya. Pero aduna ko'y usa ka butang nga mas kusgan pa sa kwarta ang suporta sa katawhan. Let me tell you this honestly. Dili lalim ang akong isudlan. Gingnan bitaw ko ni Tony ang long-time partner ni Wee. Before ko ni file sa akong candidacy, dingadto ko sa Sempar. Adto ko ni Wee. Niingon ko ni Doc Wee niya, nakita mi ni Tony. Ingkuton, budagan ko. Padung na ko sign. Ingon si Tony na ko nga, pamura maka nagkaktat ana og pito ka bukid. Ingko sobra pa ni spituton akong sudlan. Pero mo na i-wish nila, real friends do that. They wish you the best of luck. When we entered the Capitol, kanina, we saw the truth. Mga papeles nga kuwang o dilihan ay, programa nga way klarong direksyon, missing accountability, empty positions over budgeted items, surveys nga layo sa katawhan. I asked myself, mauni ang gitawag nga pinaka-adunahan nga probinsya sa Pilipinas? Kung mauni, asa man ang serbisyo? Asa ang pagpanarbaho? Asa ang dignidad sa Subuanon? So I say this now, clearly and from the heart. We were not handed a functioning capital. We were handed a broken house. But broken does not mean hopeless. Kay kung ang katawhan magtinabangay, bisan ang guba maayo, bisan ang wala mapuno, bisan ang daan mabag-o. That is why I'm calling all of you not to stop but to start. This is not the end of the campaign. This is the beginning of the movement. Tabangi ko, ayaw ko ninyo pasagdi, kuyugi ko ninyo. Let us rebuild the Capitol, not as a symbol of politics, but as a symbol of people power. From this day on, we will build a Cebu provincial government of the people, by the people, and for the people. Not a palace for the powerful, but a home for the servant-hearted. Not a stage for press con, but a factory of real results. And to those who wish to stop this movement, to those who want to hold on to old power, to preserve their privilege, to block the will of the people to save Cebu, dili mo manubag nako, but manubag mo sa people of Cebu. To the youth who voted for the first time, for the farmer who walked in the precinct barefoot, to the city workers who whispered, "Pam, Pam lang yun ko," even in fear. You owe them accountability. You won't be hurting me, but you will be hurting them. And let it be known, the people of Cebu will not stand against this. Nagpakabana na ang katawhan, nagkahiusa na ang yanong Cebuano. Ang taga Cebu, wala na mahadlok ninyo. And we will fight back, not with hate, but with full of determination. Mga kaigsuunan, ang tinuod na kalambuan sa Subo, dugay na kaayo ipangandoy. Dugay na ta nga gipugngan. Dugay na tang giilad. Dugay na ta nga gipaninglan sa propaganda. But this is the time. This is our moment. Ang panahon na sa katawhan karon. Ang panahon nga atong kuhaon pag-usab ang Subo para natong mga Cebuanos. Tabangi ko ninyo to make Cebu great again. Great not in arrogance. Great not in ceremony, but great in values, great in compassion, great in justice. Let me speak to each of you now. To our farmers, your callous hands feed our families. Your dignity will be protected. Your needs will be prioritized. To our city workers, you are the beating heart of public service. I see you, I hear you. And under my watch, you will no longer be unseen. To our young people, you started this change. You are not just the hope, you are the power. You are the present. To our mothers and single parents, you raise families with little to nothing. You are heroes, and you will have a government that helps you, not hinder you. To every Cebuano in every barangay, from mountain to island to city, this leadership is for you. This victory is yours. The government is yours. Kay kamo ang Subo. And now, let me talk about something bigger than us. For many years, Cebu has been called the Queen of the South. And yes, that is a title we wear with pride. But we must dream of something even greater. A Cebu that does not just shine for itself, but shines for the whole country. A Cebu that does not divide the nation with pride and politics, but connects it through purpose and people. A Cebu that is not just a tourist destination, but a destination for justice, innovation, and true leadership. A Cebu that doesn't just win elections, but wins the trust and heart of the people. That is why, starting today, Cebu will not only be known as Queen of the South, we will now rise as the premier province of the people in the Philippines. That is who we are, and that is what we will build. And the world will witness it. I promise you that. My dear Cebuanos, the work has just begun, but you are not alone. You have each other. You have me. Ug labaw sa tanang, aduna kitay dakong Ginoo nga nagtan-aw sa atong paningkamot. As I said earlier, love God first, and we will love Cebu better. So I ask you now, volunteer, join barangay consultations, attend feeding missions, share ideas, watch over public projects, protect our democracy. Ato ning gobyerno, ato ning Subo, ato ning kaugmaon. When they ask, kinsay napasiugda sa kabaguhan sa Subo, dili pangalan ang tubag. Ang tubag ay katawhan. Ato ang Cebu, ato gini, ato ning panggaon ug mahalon. Daghan kayog salamat, mabuhi ang mga Cebuano, mabuhi ang katawhan, mabuhi ang bagong Cebu, ug mabuhi ang Pilipinas sungod sa katawhan sama kaninyo. With deep pride and full confidence in your future. Thank you so much. Daghang salamat.